Hello again. If you've watched any of the other videos in this series about division, you'll have noticed that I just worked with remainders, a whole number of remainders. Obviously we can divide further than that, and some numbers will go down to what we call decimal answers. Okay, so we've got 6,041 divided by 3. Okay, so we'd start in the normal pencil and paper method. Some other methods might get involved in this, like skip counting, which I've discussed elsewhere. Possibly even a little bit of repeated subtraction, maybe not. Alright, so 3 goes into 6 twice. There's nothing left over, and so there's nothing to carry on to the next number. 3 into 0, a way to go, and we mark that with a 0. 3 into 4 goes once, with 1 left over, and now we've got 3 into 11. So 3, 6, 9, 12. 12 is too many, so it goes 3 times, which is 9, with a remainder of 2. And we'll just use a different colour just for emphasis. Okay, once you get to the point where you're going to deal with this remainder and try and work it through, then you need to put in a decimal point. Okay, the next piece of seeming magic is we've got a 2, we need to now turn it into tenths. Okay, and 2 is the same as 20 tenths. And so now we've got a number that we can divide by 3. So 3 goes into 20. Might use my skip counting and keep track. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, which will be too big. Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And there are 2 left over. I'll use my little colour. And it looks like this will repeat itself forevermore. So I might do it just one more time. So now we're in the hundredths place, and we need some more of those. So 3 into 20 goes, as we said before, same as before, 6 with the remainder of 2. So the way we mark that it's just going to keep going is we put this little hat over the last number. Okay, so decimal answers in division, with a bit of skip counting thrown in for good measure.